If you wish to get iPhone ringtone on a Motorola Moto G56, then in that case, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. And we need to download an app that allows us to set up the iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna go to search over here, tap on the search field, and we're gonna simply write iPhone ringtone. There we go. You will be able to find multiple different apps that you can try out. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, and I'm gonna install it. So feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason. However, in this video, I'm gonna cover this one. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to get the iPhone ringtone with this app. So let's open it. Let's open the app, press consent over here. And soon after that, of course, we have an ad, so let's skip that. We need to grant access for the app to music and audio on this device so that the app can actually save the ringtone, and also we need to allow modifying system settings so that the app can set up the ringtone for us. So over here we have different iPhone ringtones. We can press this play button in order to listen to the ringtone. Of course, we need to volume up a little bit. So you can try to find your favorite ringtone over here. If you managed to find it, tap on these three dots on the right side. And then over here, choose ringtone. Of course, we need to skip an ad. Actually, I didn't manage to skip it for some reason. Let's close this. Oh, there we go. Here. And there we go. You should be able to see this information that we have set the ringtone successfully. So just to verify that, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, let's go to sound and vibration. And if you change the ringtone volume, you should be able to hear it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.